We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.